Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of a new July suitcase. This is a 80-litre expandable version in dark brown, recently purchased by my wife for some upcoming travel, and in addition to that she purchased a PVC protective cover for it. I don't know too much about the company other than it is a Melbourne-based startup with the suitcase and the cover manufactured in China. So what we'll do is we'll unpack the suitcase and then the cover. We'll take a look at the features of it, and I'll just talk through some of my observations as I go. So let's go. Nothing to lose and a world to see is what it says on there. Interesting statement for a piece of luggage. And the suitcase has a little kind of pillow slip type of cover here. July printed on it, so we'll just take that out now. Just remove it now from the sleeve. There it is. The wheels have a rubberized texture to them. We've got July stamped into the shell. Got these little protective knobs here so that when the suitcase is folded out, they don't bash into the shell. There's the back of it with the handle, and you can see here that July is embossed quite frequently throughout the suitcase. Just take a look at the top. So the handle here has 20 positions, so you lift it up to the top and then you can kind of ratchet it down to the position you desire. Like so. Then we've got the handle here. Not a great deal of room, to be honest, to get my fingers kind of, I mean, yeah, it's stiff. And then there is another one on the side here, the same handle. Again, there's not a great deal of room to kind of get your hand in there, your fingers in there, sorry. So come around to the locking here. So basically this is how it came, with the zipper already locked into the TSA lock, and then on this card here it shows you how to set the combination. So you need like a pen or something to put into that hole. But for the purpose of opening up the suitcase with it set to 000, you just need to push this to the left and it just pops them open, like so. Alright, we'll just have a look in this card and just see what's in there. Okay, we have a welcome message here. Information about how to adjust the handle. Information about the compression pad and the strap, which I'll show you in a moment. It's quite a neat feature. and then how to care for your suitcase. Made from 100% aerospace grade German polycarbonate. Wow, that sounds impressive. We have here what appears to be a bookmark where you can write your security combination for the suitcase on the back. And then the customer support information there. Happiness team, wow. Okay. Never heard of a customer service centre called a happiness team before. Okay, that's the contents of this little sleeve. So now we will return to the suitcase and open it up. Okay, there's the suitcase opened up. So we'll take a look at some of the features. So just starting with the left-hand side here. So this is the bottom of the suitcase here. We've got two mesh compartments. So there is one zip to access them, but they're separated, so it's stitched in the middle there. And then there is another zip here to open up this section. So that's quite neat. So basically when you fold up the suitcase to close it, none of your items are going to basically spill out into the other section. We've got the July branding stitched into the center section there on a little piece of vinyl. And then coming across to the other section here, we've got the innovative kind of Y-strap compression pad. And we've got July embossed into this vinyl here as well, quite nicely stitched. So what happens here is you've got this kind of a strap which will just move out the way, and then this pad which is connected at the base, so you can't disconnect it from this strap only. And then you've got a sleeve in there. The zippers are very nice to use. I'm doing all of this with one hand holding the camera, so they're very smooth. We move that out the way, and then you can pack your items into this section here. And this pad is designed to hold them in place once you strap this down, so that when you close up the suitcase like this side, the contents don't spill out. So yeah, it's quite a neat design there. And then on the side of the suitcase here, there's a little pouch which, when opened, reveals a laundry bag. So you can put your wet items in there. It's waterproof, so it won't kind of leak out and wet your other items. So another neat little feature. Just in terms of build quality observations, I think generally it's pretty good. The zippers are, as I already mentioned, are very smooth to operate. The stitching is all very neat and straight. And the materials quality is also quite good. I think they may have gone a little bit overboard with the branding. It just seems to be a little bit over-branded. And I suppose as a startup or a newish company, they're wanting to make an impression and just make sure that you know what suitcase you have here. But yeah, you've got it here on the strap, on all the zippers, embossed into the shell, on the handles. So it's everywhere. I think it's even on the wheels. It's even on the wheels. So they've gone to town with the branding, but I suppose that's fair enough. Maybe they'll tone it down as they become more established. So anyway, I will close it up now, and I'll take one last look at the outside, and then we'll move on to the protective cover. All right, so just one last look around the suitcase. I've got it in its expanded state here, so there's a zip that runs around the outside, giving you more leaderage. So I'll just kind of walk around it for you, just so you can see it up close. One thing I forgot to mention is how light this suitcase is. It's very light. Maybe due to the material that they've used, that German aerospace polycarbonate, I suppose. Alrighty, onto the cover. Got here transparent mesh luggage cover, checked. Some information about it, what it's designed to do. Just open it up. It's just a strap here, and then folds out like so. Alright, I'll leave it there for now. That is an unboxing video of a new July suitcase. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you. And as always, thanks for watching. Cheers.